It's like the little starting gate sound. Beep, beep, beep.
Good boy. Oh, he's got it nice and tight now.
Here's a little helmet for him.
I can make him a helmet out of paper.
Okay, Achilles. Nice and balanced.
He's gonna go that way. Good luck.
Oh, he held on.
He's still on it.
Let me try. Let me try.
We had him to fly while holding it, so it's like he's doing like an ollie or something.
Okay, back up. Back up. There you go. Back up. Right.
Oh.
Okay, buddy. Ready? Head down. You ready? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh,
Threw him off the edge.
I'm sorry. He's like, I don't want that anymore. You have to do with that anymore. Okay, come on.
He's went right off the side.
I'm sorry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let go. Come on. Put it on. No. Don't grab it.
That you can't bite it. Stop.
Come on. Come on. Let go. You want to do it? You want to do a headstand thing? You want to do a little headstand thing? Let's try that.
His feet are on the bottom. Wait. Can I try something really quick?
No, let me just. You did it all before. Let me try. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's. Come on.
Not. Look, his feet are off.
What are you trying to do?
Dad, his feet are touching the floor. He's getting aggravated.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on with it. Come on.
Ow.
Yeah.
Record.
Ready?
Record.
Ready?
That was pretty good.
Good boy, Billy. Good boy.
Wait, let me see.
We're gonna have to send you to Tony. What's his name? Tony what? Tony Hawk?
Yeah, the skateboarder?
Tony Falcon. I mean Tony Pellet.
Feels a bird.
Is it really Tony Hawk?
Yeah.
Oh, how perfect is that? Tony Parrot. We should eBay, see if there's a skateboarding parrot out there really. Hey Tony, you need a mascot? Come on,
Wait,
baby.
let me try something.
Just try one more.
He's not his feet are
Come on. Come on.
Oh, his feet are rubbing against that. Hi. Hi. Hey.
Wait, you have to see this. Tony Parrot. Reedy, instead of Tony Hawk, it's Tony Parrot.
Alright, hold on, let me try something.
What's that?
It's, helmet?
It's pretty big. Is that tape?
Yeah, I take the other side too, so it's not
Okay.
He's like, what
He's
the
got-
hell is that? That's not getting on his head.
Try it. Quick.
Poor guy! How do I get this off?
But you just cut the tape if it comes to worst, comes to worst.
This has got to be a good one. Come on, Bill.
This is terrible.
Go on.
Oh, nice!
Boy,
You were so funny. Oh, I gotta get a close up of it.
Good boy, Bill. Keep it still. Wait, it's all shaky. Good boy. What do you say, Bill? Take it up, see me. Good boy. What do you say, Bill?
He's not even moving.
He doesn't even know what this is.
Get the